Today we're focusing on activating your core and unlocking your lower body, setting the stage for a day full of strength and energy. Whether you've been sitting for long hours or woke up feeling stiff, this routine is designed to release tension in your hips, spine, and legs. If you want to move better, feel lighter, and start your day strong, this is for you. No fancy gear required. All you need is a mat and a commitment to show up for yourself. Do this in your living room, bedroom, or even outside if you want to feel the sun on your face and the breeze on your skin. In just 5 minutes, we'll flow through stretches that open up your hips, strengthen your core, and improve flexibility in your spine. Great job for making it here, because most people would give up, but not you. I promise, by the end of this routine, you'll feel grounded, mobile, and unstoppable. Let's hit the mat. Let's start with the classic, the cat-cow stretch. Picture your spine as a slinky. This is where we create that smooth, flowing motion to wake it up. Come onto all fours with your wrists under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Inhale, arch your back, lifting your chest and tailbone toward the sky. This is cow pose. Exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin and pelvis under. This is cat pose. Move with your breath. This stretch mobilizes your entire spine, easing tension and improving flexibility. I promise, with every inhale and exhale, you'll feel your back loosening and your body waking up. If you need more support, place a cushion under your knees or wrists. For a deeper stretch, hold each pose for a few extra seconds. Finish your last round and step your right foot forward into a low lunge twist. Now let's open up those hips and add some spinal rotation. Imagine unwinding tension and creating space with every twist. Step your right foot forward into a lunge, keeping your left knee on the mat. Place your left hand down and twist your torso, reaching your right arm up toward the sky. Hold here and breathe deeply for 30 seconds, then switch sides. This stretch releases tightness in your hips and improves flexibility in your spine. I promise, your lower body will feel open and ready to move after this. If the twist feels too intense, keep your raised arm on your hip for added stability. To deepen the stretch, sink your hips lower. Bring both hands back to the mat and rise to a kneeling position for semi-hula hoops. Let's bring some flow and playfulness to the hips. Picture yourself moving like a graceful dancer, creating smooth and circular motion. Kneel with your hands on your hips. Slowly circle your hips to the right, creating a semicircle. Then reverse to the left. Move with control, letting your lower back and hips loosen up with each rotation. This stretch targets your hip flexors and lower back, improving mobility and easing tension. I promise, by the end, your hips will feel fluid and free. If kneeling isn't comfortable, do this standing with your feet hip-width apart. For a more advanced option, make the circles wider and deeper. Finish your last circle and let's flow into 3-leg downward dog. Now we're adding strength and stretch together. Imagine elongating your body and feeling powerful and light all at once. Start in downward dog, pressing your hands firmly into the mat and lifting your hips high, keeping your hips square. This stretch lengthens your hamstrings and strengthens your core, while giving your spine a gentle traction. I promise you'll feel taller and stronger after this. If lifting your leg feels too challenging, keep both feet on the ground and focus on lengthening your spine. Lower both feet to the mat and walk your hands towards your feet for a final stretch, standing forward fold. Let's finish with a calming fold to ground your energy. Imagine all the tension melting away as you hang heavy. Stand tall, take a deep breath, and as you exhale, hinge at your hips and fall forward. Let your arms hang and clasp opposite elbows, allowing your head and shoulders to relax. This stretch lengthens your hamstrings, releases your lower back, and calms your nervous system. I promise, by the end, you'll feel completely refreshed and relaxed. Bend your knees slightly if your hamstrings feel tight. For a deeper stretch, try placing your hands on the ground. Slowly roll up to standing, one vertebra at a time, and take a deep grounding breath to close out this session. Fantastic job, fam. You've activated your core, opened up your hips, and stretched your entire body in just 5 minutes. That's how you start the day with intention and strength. Remember, most people wouldn't even get out of bed, but you showed up, and that's what sets you apart. Always remember that you've already won the day just by pressing play and showing up. Anytime you see that notification bell go off, just press play. Stay strong, flexible, powerful, and I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.